Hello guys, welcome once again to Collins Cubicle. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Ankara purse. If you are new here and haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe, turn on your notification bell and drop a comment saying I subscribe, and we'll get back to it in no time. Without wasting much time, let's jump right into the tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be needing a zipper, our fabric, and also a fusing. The purse length is gonna be 8 inches long by 10 inch wide, and remember, this isn't on fold. I'm also cutting out an interfacing made from the same fabric. Also do the same for the fusing. For the size, I'm going to be making use of another fabric, cutting it 3 inch tall and 2 inch wide. I'll be cutting out 2 pieces. I will be marking out the middle points of the fabric along the length area, as you can see. I will also be doing that for the other fabric. Take a cutting machine and stitch both fabric and interfacing, front sides facing each other. Now I'm going to place both fabrics midpoint together, front sides facing each other, and stitch from there. Then erase the footer, turn the fabric to the other side and stitch throughout. Do the same for both sides. When it's done, it will look something like this. Now it's time to attach your zipper. When you are done, you stitch up the zipper opening. Turn the bag inside out to reveal your cute little Ankara purse. So that's it about this tutorial. I'm sure you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more related videos, and also drop a comment saying I subscribe, and we'll get back to you in no time.